Today we're back in St. Augustine, Florida. I'm going to cover a beautiful new townhome community by DR Horton called Stokes Landing. We are east of US 1. Yes, that highway right over there, east of US 1. So you have easy on and easy off access to US 1. What else is cool about being east of US 1? Well, you're closer to the ocean for one thing. You're closer to St. Augustine, historic St. Augustine. You've got A-rated schools nearby. We're gonna do a walkthrough of 2 beautiful townhomes very shortly here, but I just can't emphasize enough how cool it is to have found something at these price points. Everybody tells me you can't find anything that's affordable in St. Augustine and those areas anymore. Well, that's simply not true. I'm here to tell you. I recently helped some first-time home buyers that had been living in apartments for quite a while. They're moving up here and they're going to be living in here, and they're very happy about it. They're going to send their kid to the A-rated schools that are nearby, and life is going to be grand. Anyway, we're going to get started right now. All right, we're going to get started with this Osmond series townhome behind me here. This is one of the Tradition series. This will be a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home. It's 1,109 square feet. You can pick one of these up for in the $230,000 range. And again, they are selling to investors in this community right now. So if you wanted to purchase a townhome and use it as an investment property, you could definitely do that. We're gonna get started on our walkthrough of this one right now. So you're gonna have really nice cementitious siding again, smart doorbells, smart door locks. In the Express series, you're gonna have vinyl flooring in the main living areas, and you're gonna have carpet in the bedrooms. They do use quartz countertops in the kitchen, and they use Formica countertops in the bathrooms. So pretty nice though, really nice. Did I say they're including the appliances right now? Refrigerator, washer, and dryer. So you can have a nice quartz counter and an island here in the kitchen. Nice gooseneck plumbing fixture with an undermount sink. Stainless steel appliances. There's your pantry. Let me also add, they do have interior and exterior units of both the Express and the Tradition series. So you're not limited to only interior units. You can also get exterior units as well. Really nice here. Of course, you've got can lights up above. They've got this set up as a dining area here off the kitchen. Here's your nice open floor plan. Carrying forward, looking back. What do you see back here, folks? You see a screened-in lanai. Is that included? Yes, it is. Your homeowners association in here is going to be $71 a month, and it does include the lawn maintenance. Let's go upstairs. This will be where your air handler is, which is a carrier unit. So this will be bedroom number 1. Looking back onto your backyard. closet. Here's the first bathroom. We already saw the powder room down below. You got easy maintenance walk-in shower here. Very easy to care for. I love the modern light switches. There's your smart thermostat coming up the hallway here. This will be where your breaker panel is. Hall closet. Laundry is upstairs. Pretty nice. And this is bedroom number 2. So this one faces the front of the unit. Again, got a walk-in closet with 2 doors. And let's take a look in the second bathroom. Again, you will have Formica counters in the bathrooms, vinyl flooring, but you've got a nice elongated toilet, water closet there, and easy maintenance tub shower combination. You're probably wondering, Jay, where the heck are you? I'm in front of one of the largest gas stations that I've ever been to in my entire life. This is not a truck stop. This is for cars, SUVs, trucks, motorcycles, anything that runs on gas, but not 18-wheelers. I like over-the-road trucks, but they're not welcome here. This is Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's, a huge place like this. It's based out of Texas, and it's Texas sized. You've got gas, of course. You've got food, fresh food inside, all types of souvenirs. If you like any kind of jerky, they have that stuff. They have Buc-ee's nuggets, which are made from corn. They have barbecue brisket. They have candy, all types of candy. They have clothing, cool beachwear, all kinds of cool stuff. This place never shuts down. It goes 24/7, year round. So we are 15 minutes from Stokes Landing. One day I will take you inside of there, but I'm gonna make you wait with anticipation until that time. You have a dog walking area out front here. What do you see over there across the street? Costco. Yes, Costco. Beyond that, what's going in? Bass Pro Shops. So we got a Bass Pro Shops going in, and then on beyond that, we've got a Home Depot going in. So you've got all this cool stuff. Of course, I-95 is just over there also. So you got easy access to I-95 and all this shopping really close by. Close to Stokes Landing. Very cool. Next, I'm going to show you this Springfield model. This is a part of the Tradition series of DR Horton. This one will have a little bit more bling to it. This is going to be a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. It's 1,308 square feet. It's going to have tile in the main living area. It's going to have carpeting in the bedrooms, and it will have quartz counters in the kitchen as well as all the bathrooms. Let's take a look right now. Again, cementia siding. This could be either an end unit or an interior unit. Of course, that's your choice. Beautiful tile floors. Looking at the kitchen. Again, stainless steel appliances. Refrigerator, washer and dryer right now are included. Shaker cabinets. Deep sink, gooseneck plumbing fixtures. There's your pantry. You've got a little bit more width, spaciousness here in the main living area. I think you can see that. Of course, with the end units, you'll have more windows as well, so you'll have more natural light. This is where the powder room is. Washer and dryer again included, and they are here on the first floor with the Tradition series. Did I mention you can pick one of these up for probably in the upper $250,000 range? Looking back at the main living area, there's your screened-in lanai. Out here is a storage closet. That's where your hot water heater is. Of course, it's in the same place on the Express as well. And in addition, out there, they have a pre-plumbed water softener loop. So if you want to add a water softener in the future, it's already set up. Nobody's going to have that extra expense of tearing into a wall and paying a plumber to do all that. You're ready to go. We're going to go upstairs, take a look. Here we have bedroom number 1. Don't you love it? I don't know, Google it. Going up the hallway, making a turn to the right, we have bedroom number 2. Has this nice offset area, which is set up for a study area. Got to keep those kids studying, right? There's your closet. Here is bathroom number 1, primary bathroom. Sorry. Guest bathroom, not primary bathroom. This is where the breaker panel is. Smart thermostat. Nice linen closet there. And now we're in the primary. Nice size walk-in closet. Tile on the flooring here in the bathroom. Quartz counters and a really nice walk-in shower. All right, we're going to wrap it up. Thanks again for watching this video on Stokes Landing Townhomes here in St. Augustine, Florida. The really nice townhome community by DR Horton. They're selling Express series in here, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom for in the $230,000 range. They're selling the Tradition series, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom for in the $250,000 range. You have a really low HOA in here, covers your yard maintenance. We're real close to historic St. Augustine, Florida, the historic area. We're very close to Vilano Beach. We're about an hour from Jacksonville International Airport. Remember, whether you move in 9 days or 9 months, reach out to me. I'm always happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. We're gonna put my phone number and email up on the screen. Reach out to me. I'll be the one that reaches back out to you. Please consider liking, subscribing, hitting that notification bell, or even sharing this video. And until next time, I hope to see you around Jack.